Copper refining is done by electrolysis. So, the electrolysis of copper to sulfate using graphite rods produces oxygen and copper. Now, by changing the electrodes from graphite to pure and impure copper, the products can be changed at each electrode. So, electrolysis can be used to purify metals by separating them from their impurities. Now, in this setup, the impure metal is always at the anode and the pure metal is at the cathode. So the cathode has a thin sheet of pure copper. Now the electrolyte used is an aqueous solution of soluble salt of the pure metal at the anode, copper to sulfate. Now copper atoms at the anode lose their electrons and go into the solution as ions and are attracted to the cathode where they gain electrons and form now purified copper atoms. So the anode becomes thinner due to the loss of atoms and the impurities fall to the bottom as you can see over here, and the cathode gradually becomes thicker.